Hi guys, Danny here. I will be making another aloe vera fertilizer. But this is different from the first one because I will be using aloe vera gel pulp. These are the aloe vera gel pulp that I gathered from making shampoos. I usually remove gel pulp when I make aloe vera hair care products like shampoos and conditioners, because if it is not washed away properly and remained in the hair, it will dry up like white powder or flakes and it will look like dandruff. If this aloe vera gel pulp is prepared clean, suitable for consumption, I can make candies and jams out of this. But this time, I will be using this to make a fertilizer. In a container, I put in 500 grams of aloe vera gel pulp and then I added 500 grams of muscovado sugar. If you do not have muscovado sugar, you can use granulated brown sugar. I stir the mixture until the sugar is dissolved or totally mixed with the aloe vera gel pulp. And cover the container and let it ferment. This is how it looked like after 2 weeks. It smelled so sweet with a bit of alcohol that I wanted to eat the fermented aloe vera gel pulp. I filtered the juice and transferred it to a clean container. This is now ready to use. This can be used as a foliar spray as well as indirect application to the soil to increase soil health. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.